Hi, I'm Jim Cutter with Cutter Custom Homes. Today we're going to take a look at some cutting edge trends that are incorporated into many of our new homes. Let's go take a look. If you know me, you know how important NKU is to me. Here we are a mile away with another custom cavalcade home. This 3-bedroom custom ranch will be featured as one of our cavalcade entries. This home is loaded with cutting-edge trends that today's new homeowners expect. This custom home site offers a great view of the city skyline. The exterior is a wonderful blend of masonry, stone, and shake that provide a classic look and texture. An oversized 3-car carriage-style garage with a full basement underneath is a perfect way to create additional storage or future finished space. The open foyer flows directly into the large great room and open kitchen that welcomes any size group. This kitchen is elegant enough for a 5-star chef and comfortable enough to feed the kids in the morning. The taller ceiling heights allow for taller windows and plenty of natural lighting through the entire floor plan. The wood-iron combination surrounds the custom staircase to the lower level. The hardwood flooring flows through the entire first floor for an elegant look and ease of cleaning. The in-home office is conveniently located off of the foyer. The master bath offers a large frameless glass enclosed shower and a custom height vanity for ease of use. The most popular trend of this home is the ranch-style design with the potential to double the size and the walkout lower level. If you're interested in learning more about Cutter Custom Homes or any of the cutting-edge trends that you've seen today, give me a call. I'd love to work with you.